Zhengzhou HAIXU Abrasives Co. is located in Zhengzhou, Henan. Zhengzhou is China's transportation center, and China's air freight center city. Zhengzhou is the capital of abrasives in China. Zhengzhou HAIXU was established in 1999. HAIXU brown fused alumina factory has 60 employees, and an international sales team with 20 people. Most employees have 10 years of experience in the production and sales of brown fused alumina, and the annual export sales of Zhengzhou HAIXU have exceeded $20 million. HAIXU brown fused alumina meet the standard of GB, JAIS, FIPA, ISO, etc. The advantages of HAIXU brown fused alumina are good self-sharpening and high grinding ability, good thermal stability, low coefficient of linear expansion, good corrosion resistance. HAIXU selected high-quality bauxite mines in Shanxi and Henan for crushing and screening, calcined with natural gas, and then used electric furnaces for electric smelting. Zhengzhou HAIXU has 6 fixed furnaces and 8 dumping furnaces to ensure having enough time, experienced employees, and standardized work processes, guarantee brown fused alumina grading, and quality requirements. HAIXU has a refractory sand processing line, a grain-size sand processing line, with an annual processing capacity of 10,000 tons, stable product quality, and advanced processing technology. HAIXU has built a 3-dimensional processing production line to reduce product pollution and environmental pollution in the processing link. Quality inspection system to ensure stable product. Every batch of products in HAIXU will conduct random inspections and retain samples to ensure the products meet the standards. HAIXU can customize various packaging according to customer requirements, and HAIXU is good at the packaging standards of various countries to ensure the safety of cargo transportation while requiring beautiful packaging. HAIXU has rich export experience, which can meet the import requirements and standards of customers in various countries, and ensure the speed and safety of all links of transportation. Zhengzhou HAIXU is the best brown fused alumina manufacturer in China. Welcome friends from all over the world. Cooperation and visit. HAIXU is committed to making the world's industry develop better, and is committed to helping world customers grow.